apartment 8276. This is 8277.
Can I help you?
Oh yes, they came to check your air filters. I'm not sure. This is 8277.
Apartment. No one came to check air filters.
Can you repeat that?
No one came to check the air apartment.
No. Yeah, we're checking the air filters.
Oh, nobody's home right now. You'll have to wait till another day.
Oh, much appreciated. 872. Dallas Police!
Yeah.
Mr. Rodriguez, Ethan, it's Dallas Police!
Hey, they shot back. There's shell casings out here.
Right here, open the door.
Yeah, open the door slowly, man. Make sure I can see your hands. Hey,
We're all in
hands.
here. We're all in here.
Both hands. Alright, come on out, man.
Are you the only one inside?
No, my brother.
Alright, I want all of you guys to come out. Just step over here for me.
Come on, Dustin.
Alright, man.
Can I get my phone? So I can show you a video?
Yeah, we'll get it.
Be on the
You
camera.
guys give us, can I go inside and all that stuff? Okay.
Yeah, I do what I gotta do. I'm fast hard as fuck right now.
Around. How's one over here? Oh, 2401. That was police. We're gonna need the